Trinidad and Tobago is a true melting pot of cultures. Out of this pot, our unique flavors come to life. I'm Renee, and here on Simply Local, we cook some of our favorite local recipes or put a Trini spin on international cuisine. So join me on Simply Local as we celebrate food from a Trinbagonian's perspective. Today is all about mac and cheese. Not just any mac and cheese, we're gonna pack it with flavor because I'm gonna saute some vegetables, I'm gonna add some nice local fresh seasonings, and I'm gonna saute shrimp. I know, shrimp, the best part. We're gonna saute some shrimp in some garlic butter, and I'm gonna top it off with a lovely bechamel sauce with 2 types of cheeses. So let's begin. Okay guys, to tell you how simple this recipe is, we're gonna have 2 pots on at the same time. So the first part we're gonna start off with is the bechamel. So the basic rules of bechamel is that we're going to make a roux, and basically what a roux is equal parts of butter and flour. So now you're going to take the flour and you're going to whisk it in. So as you can see, it's already thickened up and created this nice smooth texture that we're looking for, right? Next we're going to add our milk, and we're using our brand again. This is our Cuisine full cream milk. Now it's Simply Local, and we're going to make it a little bit more flavorful. I promise you guys we're going to make it flavorful. So we're going to add some bay leaf to it, and we're going to allow this to steep as well as thicken up. We're going to add some salt and pepper. And then we're going to begin with the vegetables. So while the bechamel is coming together, we're going to start the vegetables. So I'm going to put a pot again on medium, some butter. And I have here some onions. I have carrot. I'm just going to let this sweat a little bit for the flavors to come out of the carrot as well as the onion. So while this is on as well, we're going to go back to the bechamel, and as you can see, it's thickened up really nicely, and this is what we're looking for. And that's it for the bechamel, so we could actually take it off the fire right now. So as you can see, the vegetables have already started to sweat really nicely, and the onions are a little bit translucent, and that's what we're looking for. Right, so we can go ahead and add the rest of the vegetables. I have my sweet peppers here, I have garlic, and I have some fresh parsley here, the stems of the parsley, as well as I have some fresh thyme. Right guys, so this dish is quickly coming together. I have some boiled pasta here. It's actually from our brand again, the Cuisine. They have elbow pasta, right? So we're gonna put this in. Right? Give that a nice mix. Smells so good. So good. Great. And next we're gonna add our bechamel sauce. See how fast it's coming together, guys? Look at that. It's gorgeous. Guys, this looks amazing. But we can't forget it's a mac and cheese, right? So we can't forget our cheese. I have a blend here of mozzarella and cheddar. I'm just gonna add a little paprika. This is gonna give it a nice smoky flavor, and I love paprika as well. Feel free to add any spice that you like. Right, so we're gonna give this a mix. And that's how simple it is. That's how simple it is. Guys, if you're on your run, this is perfect for you. So we're on the last phase of this dish, right? And Cuisine has some lovely shrimp here. They have some large shrimp, and it's actually headless, so it's really good. All I did is just simply cleaned it. So I have the shrimp cleaned here, and I'm actually gonna add some salt and black pepper to it. So I have some black pepper. I have the pan already on medium heat, and some salt. All right, just gonna take my fork and mix that around. Just gonna add some butter here, right? And we're gonna add garlic. Alright guys, our finished product. Right, it was really simple and really easy. So I'm gonna try the mac and cheese by itself, and then I'll have it with the shrimp. Guys, I love what the cheese and the cream is doing. It's creating this lovely creamy texture. The pasta is cooked perfectly. And you see the veg, guys, the veg, oh my god, the veg. We sauteed it just the right amount of time that it was soft, but it still has this crunch to it. So it's really good texture compared to, you know, the macaroni. So it has a great balance. So I'm gonna try with the shrimp now. See that garlic? That garlic, It's so great comfort food, oh my god. Okay, let me stop. As always, the full recipes on eatahfoodtt.com, or you can follow us on Instagram or Facebook. And if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Down in the comments below, let me know what you like to make your mac and cheese with. What type of cheese do you like? I love mozzarella. Until next time, guys, bye.